it has got a pratyaksha pramana. He has seen it, he saw, and he wrote, and we see what he saw and wrote. That is why the Narayanium has a first-hand impact on us. First-hand. You're almost seeing what Bhattadri saw, imagining, creating out of the figment of imagination. All that is secondary or second rate. But to see, actually see, it's a running commentary. It's an aesthetic, poetic running commentary on the Rasa Leela. That is why we like it. That is why again and again we read the Dashaka, 69th Dashaka of Dashaka means a combination of 10 to 11 shlokas in the Narayaniam. Yesterday I told you the Lord and the gopis were all now arranged in one circle. Circle is complete. The symbol of the circle all over the world. In any literature, circle stands for completion, Purnatva. तावदेव कृतमण्डने कलित कञ्चुलीककुचमण्डले गण्डलोल मणिकुण्डले युवतिमण्डलेथ परिमण्डले अन्तरा सकल सुन्दरीयुगळम् इन्दिरारमणसञ्चरन् मञ्जुलां तदनु रासकेलिमयि कञ्चनाभ samupadadham. O Master, you performed. O Narayana, you performed the Rasalila. How? And who are you? You are the Master, Indira Ramana. Again and again, I keep emphasizing. Throughout the Rasalila, neither Bhattadri nor Shukadeva, nor the gopis forget that the Lord is the consort of Lakshmi, that he is the master of the world, that he is Lakshmi Narayana, Indira Ramana. O Master of Lakshmi, O Lord Padmanabha, at the time when the gopis were dancing, they had put on their ornaments and they were wearing all their garments and they had gem-studded earrings and they were dangling on the cheeks. When you have earrings which are dangling on the cheek, naturally it looks beautiful and shining, and they stood in a circle. It was then that you performed the beautiful rasa, Master. Tavadeva Krita, Mandane Kalita, Kanchulika Kucha, Mandale, Gandalola, Manikundale, Yuvati Mandaletha, Parimandale, Antara Sakala, Sundari Yugalam, Indira Ramana Sancharan, Manjulam Tadanurasa Kelimai, Kanjanava Samupadadaha. I don't even make an effort to read. The verse reads by itself. I hope you understand. It is like asking the Ganga to flow. Have you to ask the Ganga to flow? She flows. She flows. And that is how the verses of Bhattadri flow. And then, Master, what happened? All the heavenly people, the heavenly audience came down. I told you, Vasudeva tava bhasamanamiha rasake rasa saurabham duratopi khalu naradagaditam akalayya kutukakulam veshabhushana vilasapeshala vilasini shata samavrita nakato yugapadagata viyati vegatotha suramandali. I'm sure when you want to see a dance performance, all of us want to sit in the first row. Whenever I go to my legendary sister, Dr. Padma Subramanian's dance, she makes it sure that Kannan gives me a very, very prominent seat because I want to see every gesture of hers, every expression of hers. Right in front, I want to sit. So all of us want to know that is how all the goddesses, they also got ready and they came beautifully dressed. How are they? Vesha, Bhushana, Vilasa, Peshala, Vilasini, Shatasamavrata. All the gods came with their goddesses, beautifully decked. And who told them? Narada. Narada Gaditam Akalaya Kutu. Narada says, what are you wasting your time in heaven for? There is something more heavenly on earth. Come down. Most of us say, oh, we want heaven on earth. This is heaven on earth. Watching the Rasalila is heaven on earth. I hope you understand. Heaven is not a place somewhere there. Heaven is where the soul is in ecstasy. How do you like the definition? Heaven is where the soul is in ecstasy. And now, these 45 minutes, our soul is in ecstasy. We are in heaven. Heaven is not a topography somewhere, GPS to find out where is Google search. Where is heaven? Heaven is here. When you feel happy and the Lord is dancing with you, what more do you want? Dhiranna, 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 nachi gopti kanha. नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर नाचे धरती अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर नाचे सारी दुनिया नाचे गोपी कान्हा. Everything is dancing. That is heaven. Venunadakrita. When you have a dance, you need an orchestra. That's why when Dr. Padma is performing, earlier we used to have money. Now it is the beautiful Gayatri and her group or troupe, they are singing. And that is why you need an orchestra. What about Krishna and the gopis? What is the orchestra? Venunada kritatana dana kala gana raga gati yojana. लोभनीय मृदुपादपातकृत ताळमेलनमनोहरं पाणिसङ्क्वणित कङ्कणं च मुहुरं सलम्बित कराम्बुजं श्रोणिबिम्बचलदम्बरं भजत रासकेलिरसडम्बरम्. Enjoy says Narayana Bhattadri, the majesty of the Rasalila. Bhajata, bhajata. I hope you realize this is not enjoyment of an ordinary sort. Enjoy the ecstasy. If I say drink, the word drink can have any object. That is what most people are drinking in the evening in the pandemic and getting into bad habits and addictions. You and I are drinking pipata, pipata, pipata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasikaha bhuvi bhaukaha. Ye nasha to utarta hi nahi bhaiya. This inebriation doesn't leave us at all. Bhajata, bhajata, rasakeli rasadambaram. How are they? The beautiful women? Oh, yes. They have tied their dupattas on the waist. All those dupattas are, the upper cloths are fluttering in the breeze. Pani sankvanita. Why do we wear bangles? So that they can jingle. That's why I wore bangles, no? To make them jingle. Pani sankvanita kankanam chamu ram salambita karambujam. And Guru Ayyappa, the gopis, thy lotus hands were placed on the shoulders of the gopis. What more do you want? What more do you want? The Lord, as he was dancing, Anganam, Anganam, Chantarena, Madhavo, Madhavam, Madhavam, Chantarena, Angana, Ittama, Kalpite, Mandale, Madhyagaha, Sanjagau, Venuna, Devaki, Nandanaha. The Lord is placing his arms on the shoulder of the gopis. Come, watch this, watch this. All of them are singing. And when they're singing, each one is trying to outshine the other. This one in one swara, the other one in a higher swara, the other one on a higher swara. Spardhaya virachitanu krita tara tara madhura sware nartane lalitangahara lulitangahara manibhushani sammadena krita pushpa varshamal alam unmishat divishatam kulam chinmaye tvayi niliyamanamiva sammumoha savadhukulam. In every verse there may be sensuous imagery, but there is super sensuous ecstasy which is described. How are they? Chinmaye tvayi niliyamanamiva sammumoha savadhukulam. The entire group of gopis were merged in you, Krishna, entranced in you, Krishna. That means it was a suprasensuous enjoyment. How are they? Oh, yes, Master. Oh, yes. They are beautiful and their limbs are beautiful and the lovely ornaments that they are wearing, they are displaced. Lalitanga hara, lulitanga hara, manibhushane. And when they were dancing like this, the gods in heaven are showering flowers. Sammadena krita pushpa varsham alam unmishat divishadam kulam. The gods with eyes wide open. Oh God, we have never seen this in heaven. We've never seen this in Vaikuntha. We are seeing it in Vrindavan. What is best about it? this Rasalila description in the, it's there in the Bhagavatam also. I will do justice to that also. But I want you to see the transcreative summary of the Bhagavatam called Narayaniam, as they call it, the transcreative summary. Most summaries are verbal carpentries. Make 10 chapters into 2 chapters and the essential points are missing. That is not called summary. Summary should recreate the mood and the pulse of the original. That is what you find. Hey Guru Vairappa, Bhattagiri says, you and I also jealous. I'm jealous. I'll make you jealous also. Svinna sannatanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana kantamam samavalambate smatava tanti bhara mukulekshana. All of us in life are weighed down by the problems of life. We need some shoulder to rest on. And the greatest shoulder is the shoulder of the Lord. He is the one. He is the one who can bear all our problems. Guru Vairappa, look at that gopi. What did she do? What did she do? Oh, she's a pretender. She's a superstar. Oh, I'm so tired, Krishna. Let me rest on your shoulder. This is the drama that she's acting. Svinna sannatanu. Even the words tell you before I can translate. Svinna sannatanu vallari tadanu kapi nama pashupangana. Cowherders, master. Not a sage, not a scholar, not a rishi, not a king. She's cowherdess, milkmaid. मस्त गोपियां मस्त गोपियां आपके मन में बैठे कृष्ण कन्हैया. You have conquered him, gopis, you have conquered him. कांतमं समवलंबते स्मतव tanti bhara mukulekshana. Another, what did she do? I want that shoulder, you ask him. Kachita chalita kuntala nava patira saraghana saurabham. Vanchanena tava sunchuchumba bhuja vanchitoru pulakankura. Look at that, Guru Vairappa. Look at that lady. Her hair is disheveled because she's been dancing all the time and with horripilation all over. These are the small details which I don't want bhaktas to overlook. When you touch the Lord, you feel the horripilation. He does not. You understand what I mean? He doesn't want titillation from our sense organs. We need titillations. When somebody goes to a famous temple and the Lord's jewelry is given to you, your hands are shaking. Your hands are shaking. You feel horripilation. Narayana is wearing them. Krishna is wearing them. You can't believe. The Lord doesn't feel anything. Atma Rama, Atma Tripta, Yogeshwareshwaraha. That is what he is. That is why this gopi is so happy. She kisses the arm of the Lord and she feels the horripilation. The next verse is my favorite one. To tell you the truth, I'm not a very virtuous person, but I don't have big vices. I don't have any big addictions. I whenever I go to Vrindavan, I love the bida that is offered to Banke Bihari. For the simple reason that from the time I heard Dikshtar Maharaj, I knew that gopi, which gopi? That gopi. That fortunate gopi, happily she comes dancing as if the Lord doesn't know the conspiracy. The Lord who is seated in every heart knows the conspiracy. Kapi ganda bhuvi sannidhaya nija gandama kulita kundalam. That is why I wore big kundalas today. Just to tell you what it is. No, you just pretend, oh, I'm very tired, Krishna. I'm very tired. She says, Kapi ganda bhuvi sannidhaya nija gandama kulita kundalam. Punyapura nidhiranvavapatava pugacharvita rasamritam. Master, what did he not attain? What did they not attain, Master? She brings the kundala and places it on his cheek. I call it cheeky. You understand? Real cheek. Cheeky to do so. The Lord of the world, she places her cheek on his cheek, making her kundala coincide with his kundala. Quietly, she comes close to the lips of the Lord and takes away the half-eaten bida, my dear listeners. Don't you want a bit of it? I want. I want Puga Charvitara Samratam. Let me tell you, if you desire for the prasad, you get it. Whenever I go to Vrindavan, I ask for a bida and have it because it reminds me of the Narayaniam, it reminds me of the Rasalila. One day we went in the morning. Usually it is offered after the afternoon bhog, after the afternoon lunch prasad. That morning I said, oh, today I'm not going to get it because I have to go back to Delhi and back home. You won't believe. I said, Bihari, you're not giving me bida today. As I was moving away from the temple, a Pandit calls and says, Mataji, here we were 5 of us. And he gave 5 bidas and said, this was reserved from last night for you. I said, thank you. Thank you, Pandaji. Thank you. He said, don't thank me. Krishna made me preserve it for you. Can you imagine? Can you imagine in this modern age, these miracles? Not because of me, because of the bhakti that we have in the Bhagavatam. If you have bhakti in the Bhagavatam and in the Narayanam, you will get the prasadam. There is no doubt about it. Punyapura nidhiranvava pugachar vitara samritam. Indira vihriti mandiram bhuvana sundaram hinatanantare. Tvamavapya dadurangana kimuna sammadon madadashantaram. Again and again, I tell you. The poet does not forget the identity of Narayana as the consort of Lakshmi. Indira Vihrita Mandiram. You are the playground of Mother Indra. You are the playground master because she plays on you. The most beautiful one in the world, Bhuvana Sundara, reminds you of what? Mother Rukmini is going to write Prem Patra to the Lord. रुक्मिणी माँ का प्रेम संदेश सुन तेरा दिल मचला प्रभु तेरा दिल मचला एक ही क्षण में विप्र को लेकर विदर्भ तू है चला जय जय द्वारकाधीश त्वा गुणान भुवन सुंदर शृण्वतां ते. This is taken from the Bhagavatam. Bhuvara Sundara Natanantare Tvamavapya Dadurangana Kimuna Sammadon Madadashantaram. Oh, they were drunk with joy. They were dancing. And all of us know. You can ask my legendary sister, Padma Subramaniam, if she has time to watch the Katha. There comes an ecstasy in performance when you forget that the flowers are trailing behind. The anklet is loosened. Sometimes the armlet is loose. They don't wait for it. They don't wait to set right because it is part of it. The disorder is a part of the order. I hope you understand the paradox. The disorder is the part of the order. Suddenly they are dancing. And the anklets are loose. One anklet is loose. Doesn't matter. That is how everything stopped. Ghanamisha Viratam Kramena Kila Vadyamelanam Uparatam. All music stopped. Brahma Sandara Rasakula Sadasi Kevalam Nandruturangana. That's the momentum, you know. They go on dancing. They don't stop. Na vidanna picha nivikam kimapi kuntalim apicha kanchulim. They are not even aware of the disarray of their dresses or their ornaments. That is how they're dancing. Hey Guru Ayyappa, what about these women who are dancing? Let me tell you something more. Jyotisham api kadambakam divi vilambitam kimaparam bhruve. The stars in the sky became still. How do you like it? The stars in the sky became still. Jyotisham api kadambakam divi vilambitam kim aparam bhruve. What more can I tell you? That is the cosmic effect of the Rasalila. मोदसीं निभुवनं विलाप्य विहृतिं समाप्य च ततो विभो केलिसमृदित निर्मलाङ्गनवघर्मलेश सुभगात्मनां मन्मता सहन चेतसां पशुपयोषितां सुकृतचोदितः तावदा कलितमूर्तिराददितमारवीर परमोत्सवम्. हे Guruvayurappa, Paramu Maravira Paravotsava. That was the festival of sports that you performed, Guruvayurappa. You saw that the whole world was dissolved in bliss because the great merit of the Gopikas, that was Yatha Braja Gopikanam, they were sweating naturally. All of us know that during the dance performance, after every item is over, the lady goes to the side screen and gets powdered and comes back because there is so much of sweat. They didn't wait for it. They allowed the beads of sweat to be there, fresh drops of sweat on their eyebrow, and they were unable to bear the pangs of love. Hey, Guruvayurappa, you assumed as many forms as of the gopis. Anganam, Anganam, Chantarena, Madhavo, Madhavam, Madhavam, Chantarena, Angana. Each gopi had each Krishna. Each gopi had each Krishna. Radha nache, Krishna nache, Vrindavan mein. Radha nache, Krishna nache, Vrindavan mein. ऐसी लगी लगन देखो धरती गगन में, ऐसी लगी लगन देखो धरती गगन में, राधा नाचे कृष्ण नाचे वृंदावन में, एक एक गोपी संग एक एक कान्हा नाचे, जीवात्मा संग देखो परमात्मा नाचे नाचे, ऐसी लगी लगन देखो धरती गगन में, ऐसी लगी लगन देखो धरती गगन में. What does the Rasa Leela teach you? First, it teaches that the Lord is accessible. Second, it teaches if you're aesthetic, he is aesthetic par excellence. That is what he is. Third, that there is a possibility of meeting him. Fourth, that you can have the enjoyment of bliss in this world. Fifth, that he is exclusively yours. This analysis I got right now. Clap for me. Extempore analysis, which means it is not mine. It is dictated by the Lord. I'm an obedient stenographer, my dear listeners, an obedient stenographer. You have your Lord exclusively for you. You don't have to share him with anybody. Every gopi has every Krishna. Every Jivatma has every Krishna. My Krishna, you can call him. He is my Krishna. He doesn't have to be your Krishna, you can have. My Krishna is mine. He doesn't diminish. He doesn't diminish. If a husband loves the mother more than the wife, there is a problem at home. If the brother loves one other sister than you, then he has a problem at home. Not so with Krishna can love, Panduranga can love Tukaram, Panduranga can love Janabai, Panduranga can love Gora Kumbar, Panduranga can love Jnaneshwar. All of them felt he is our Panduranga. You understand? That is how the Bhagavata and the Narayaniam prove to us that he has taken on so many forms. Krishna, you were sporting in the waters because they were very tired. All of you entered into the water, and after that you came out of the water. There was gentle breeze blowing, and then Krishna, he says, final shloka, 11th shloka of this dashaka, Kamini ritihi yamini shukhalu kamani yakanidhe bhavan. I've always told my audience, Bhattadri did not choose words. Words chose Bhattadri. That is how the words said, please make us immortal. Bhattadri, make us immortal in your words. Please make us immortal in your poetry. Kamini iritihi, yamini shukhalu, kamani yakanidhe bhavan. Who is he? Never forget that he is Krishnam Dharmam Sanatanam Ramo Vigrahapan Dharmaha Kamaniya Kanidhe. He is the repository of all virtues. Yaminishu means on the nights. Kamini ritihi yaminishu khalu kamani yakanidhe bhavan purna samadara sarnavam kamapi Yogi gamyam anubhavayam. What is this bliss comparable to? It is comparable only to the bliss of the yogis. Clap for Bhattad. He has made it supra sensuous. Totally blissful experience. Yogi gamyam anubhavayam. So much so, how was it? How was it like the bliss enjoyed by the yogis? I'm sure you must have heard, you must have read lives of the yogis. For example, you must have read autobiography of a yogi. You must have known that they go into bliss. These great Tukarams, Annamacharyas, Kabir Das, Meera, all of them, they go into a trance. Yogi Gamyam Anubhavayan. And what happens at that time? Gods are respecting human beings. Brahma Shankara Mukhanapiha Pashupanganasu Bahumanayan. All the gods in heaven, Brahma, Shiva, all of them, Indra, all of them say, Jai Ho Gopiyon ki, Mast Gopiyan, Mast Gopiyan, आपके मन में बैठे कृष्ण कन्हैया ब्रह्म शंकर मुखानपीह पशुपांगनासु बहुमानयन. Gods are bowing down to them. Hail to the gopis. Jai ho gopiyon ki. Huh? O Krishna, भक्तलोक गमनीय रूप कमनीय कृष्ण परिपाहि माम. Again and again and again, Bhattadri and Shuka make it clear. Who is the Lord? He is the one who is approached by devotees. Bhaktaloka Gamaniya Rupa Kamaniya Krishna. Beautiful. Madhuradhipater Akhilam Mathuram Krishna Paripahi Mam. This is how the Rasa Leela in the Narayaniam comes to an end. But we have to go to the original. The original is still waiting. Tasam avirbhut shauri, smayamana mukhambujaha, pitambaradarastragvi, sakshan manmatha manmataha. What did that gopi do, Krishna? Oh, yes, I will tell you. One gopi joyfully took Krishna's hand between her arms, and another placed his arms on her shoulder. Accessibility of Krishna. That's what I told you. When you read the Rasa Leela, usually you say, where is God? Somewhere. The mind cannot reach him. The eye cannot see him. The ear cannot hear him. No, 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 not like that. You can feel him. Palpable presence of the Lord. You can take his arm and put it on your shoulder. That's what the gopis did. Kachit Anjalina Grinhan Tanvi Tambura Charvitam. In the Bhagavata, she very Anjali, she folds her hand. When you go to Tirupati, do you tell the Bhattadri, Prasadam Kodunga? Sami, Sami, Konja Prasadam, Sami, 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 Konja Prasadam. That is how you fold your hands. She folds her hands and quietly from his mouth takes the Pubacharvita Samratam. Ordinary bida in ordinary shop is very delicious. Imagine the bida offered to the Lord in the temple is more delicious. Imagine the bida that is half chewed by the Lord. I'm jealous of that gopi. I'm jealous of that gopi. She has won our hearts. Another one is appearing angry. How? Eka Brukutima Vadya Prema Sambrambha Vikvala Gnanti Ganti Vekshat Katakshepi Sandashta Dasanachada. I think my legendary sister, Dr. Padma Subramaniam, will appreciate every expression of an angry woman. When you're angry with the Lord, what do? You knit your brows. You went away, separated from us. I'm looking daggers at you. And she's looking angrily. Eka Brukutimabadhya Prema Samrambha Vikvala. There are two types of anger. Anger born out of anger, anger born out of love. This is anger born out of love. I hope you understand. Gnantiva. She's trying to kill him. She's trying to kill him with her looks. Katakshepaihi. And then she's biting her lips. Sandashta dashanachadaha. Paduka, I'm sure you appreciate the Bhagavatam. Every bit of the expression is given by the great Shukadeva. They feel, how are they, the gopis? Another gopi is looking at him. When we go to Tirupati, we don't even blink because suddenly they'll say, wonderful, Jargandi, Jargandi, Jargandi. I don't know how they discovered that word in Telugu. One of those obnoxious words. How do you like it? I used the harshest word in English. Obnoxious words. How can you ask us to stop drinking nectar? How can you ask us to move away from the Lord? With unblinking eyes, she's looking at the Lord. Aparanimishat drigbhyam dushana tanmukhambujam. She's drinking his beauty with her mouth. At that time, what happens? What is the comparison? Like, she is not satisfied as mystic saints are never satisfied by meditating on his feet. Please clap for this comparison. Clap for it. What a holy comparison. Apitam apinatripyan santastacharanam yatham. That is how the gopis are enjoying the Lord's company. One gopi tam kachit netrarandrena hृदि कृत्वा निमील्य च पुलकांग्युपगृह्यास्ते yogi yogiva ananda sampluta. Look at their transcendental experiences. One opens her eyes and the eyes becomes the openings. The openings for her to make the Lord enter her. You understand? Tam kachit netrarandrena hृदि कृत्वा निमील्य च. She takes him into her heart and then closes her eyes. Now he can't leave her. He's in her heart. And then she feels the horripilation. How is she? Yogiva Ananda Sampluta. Drowned in the bliss like a yogi. Each gopi has become a yogi now. In the Padma Purana, Radhama is the foremost of the gopis. Yatha Radha Priya Vishnu Tasya Kundam Priyam Tatha Sarva Gopishu Saivaika Vishnur Atyanta Vallabham. Padma Purana says that she's Atyanta Vallabha. She's very dear to the Lord. There is another tantra where Radharani is described Devi Krishnamayi Prokta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmi Mayi Sarva Kanti Sammohini Para. She is the Sammohini. She is the one who attracts. Because of her only, the Lord makes us come close to him. Only the Lord. Radha Tiri. तेरे बिना मेरा काना रह जाए आधा. राधा तेरा नाम लो तो मिट जाए बाधा. तेरे बिना मेरा काना रह जाए आधा. जुगल स्वरूप उपासना करे देखो मेरा मन सीधा साधा. It's a very old song that came to my mind. Without him, without her, my Lord is only half. He's not complete. Sarvasta Keshavalok Paramotsava Nirvrita Jahur Virahajam Tapam Prajnam Prapya Yatha Jana. Every example that is given in the Bhagavata or the Narayaniam is holy. It's holy. I hope you understand what I'm highlighting. All the gopis enjoyed the great Rasotsava, as it is called, because they saw the Lord. They gave up all their pessimism, all the all the sorrow that they had out of separation. Just like people forget their misery when they meet saintly people in life. How do you like the comparison? When you meet saintly, अरे सत्संग में आनंद आ जाता है. सत्संगत्वे निस्संगत्वम, निस्संगत्वे निर्मोहत्वम, निर्मोहत्वे निश्चलितत्वम, निश्चलितत्वे जीवन मुक्ति. यथा, how, jahur virahajam tapam prajñam prapya yatha janah. That is why we wait to meet saintly people. All of them have overcome. They have overcome their sorrow. Their heartache has vanished. Their dear friend Krishna is now going to be seated on their upper cloth, their shawls. They spread the shawl with all the kumkumam on it, and he sits there. On what does he sit? Just as he sits in the heart of the yogis, he sits on the shawls of the gopis. I hope you understand. Now they're asking him some question. It's a question answer session, a very interesting question answer session. Gopyo uchuhu bhajato anubhajantyeka eka etat viparyayam na ubhayanscha bhajantyeka etan no bruhi sadhupho. We have a question to ask you, Krishna. What is this? Some people, they reciprocate the affection that you give them. If you are affectionate, they are affectionate. Others show affection even when you don't show affection to them. There are others who will not show affection to anybody. Now, please explain these types. Is that clear? You are thinking the katha is coming to an end. So let me repeat. There are three types of people. First, those who reciprocate the affection which they get. Second, they get affection but they don't reciprocate. Third, they will not show affection to anybody. What about these three categories? Krishna is answering their question. Mito bhajanti ye sakhya swarthai kantodyamahite na tatra sauhrudam dharma swarthartham tathinam yatha. This is not true friendship. They are so called friends because the benefit they are giving. You give me affection, I give you affection. So this is just a deal. That is not true friendship. Nor are they following the true principles of friendship or religion. That is why if they don't expect benefit for themselves, they will not reciprocate. But then, my dear listeners, my dear gopis, he says, lovely gopis, there are some people who are genuinely merciful, like parents. Do parents expect anything? No. Do you expect a reward or reward for looking after your child? No. If somebody says, I'm looking after my child, I say, is it social service? You're not looking after your neighbor's child. You're looking after your child, your own child. So parents are selfless, naturally affectionate. Such persons devotedly serve even those who fail to reciprocate with them. Children don't reciprocate our love. Still, we love them. And they are following the true path of religion. They are the true well wishers. Next, भजतोपि न वै केचित् भजन्ति अभजत कुतः आत्मा रामा हि आप्तकामा अकृतज्ञा गुरुद्रुहा. The Lord says, what about the third category? I will explain tomorrow. It's a little complicated. But I have to sing There Enough for You. Long back, a Gujarati lady gave me this nose ring and said, Amma, please wear it for the Bhagavatam. I didn't wear it yesterday. I said, let me just wear it for a while and tell you this is how the Rasa Leela took place. Dhiranna, 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 nache gopi kana, nache dhati, nache ambar, nache pavan, nache sagar, nache tari duniya, nache gopi kana. Kana ki jo murli baji raji, आणि ती विना दिवाजी नंदी कमर गंग बाज धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी खाना. कोई कहे नाचे कृष्ण कोई कहे नाचे राधा जो भी कहे यही समझो कट गई कर्म बाधा. धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी खाना. गाओ रास खेलो रास देखो रास सुनो रास जिसके मन में कृष्ण प्रेम वो पाएगा रास विलास. धीरना 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 नाचे गोपी खाना. नाचे धरती नाचे अंबर नाचे पवन नाचे सागर नाचे सारी दुनिया नाचे गोपी कान्हा, धीरना धीरना धीरना, nache gopi kanha. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I